This is another recipe from the anonymous Book of Cooking in Maghreb and Andalus, a chicken soup with almond oil and verjuice, the sour juice of unripe grapes, as well as gourd. Now, most gourds eaten today, like pumpkins and zucchini, are from the family of Cucurbita, which originate in the Americas and were hence not known previously in the Old World. We are most probably dealing here with vegetables from the Lagenaria family, for example bottle gourds or Sicilian snake gourds. If you cannot get a piece of those, zucchini will do, though even if not authentic, they're quite similar to Sicilian snake gourds.